Does body count matter?
Definite
Men cheat
answer.
for nothing.
Basically.
I feel like cheating for me is a gene thing. Born with it.
We don't. Me not look for nobody as a word. Me not judge nobody.
Well, me do it.
That all queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake. All queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Up top boss represent for Tash. I tell us to subscribe and watch the ads.
Hey guys, I'm Tash and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here with three very special guests. We're talking about some topics that you females need the answer to. Sex and relationship based. So I have introduced yourself first.
MC Marco.
Tell them what you do to the first young.
I host events and I'm a promoter. Ratings, Milan. I'm a part of Young Rulers Entertainment, Young Rulers Events. A fun person.
Introduction there?
Yeah.
I have a long introduction there. Alright, so KAREEM'S, event producer, Kingston 5, Sip Summer Dreams, French Toast Brunch, podcaster, YouTuber, radio show host. You understand? About something. Yes, so KAREEM'S, that's the name on IG.
You hear the name already.
Yeah. Alright, so Grizzly Boss, creative coach JA, make sure you tune in. Premiere this month. Basically.
Alright, so we're here at Sky Dweller on Ardenne Road. Make sure you guys check it out. They're now open back. And finally. And in this video we'll be having a little mukbang what we pronounce.
Yeah, mukbang, yeah.
Yeah, a little mukbang and tell about the niceness. Them we don't want to know too bad mind we still. Just come and have it for yourself. So before the food come, I don't want to wait on the food or I don't want to get into the question.
Let's start. Very nice.
I don't want spicy or something like Alright, so to jump into the questions. The first question. Why do men cheat even when they realize they have a good one? Who wants to go first?
The funny thing is, I just did a podcast about the say why men cheating. See? It's a found out Sunday. So subscribe. Boy, I think it's by Kareem. So for me personally, I just feel like men cheat because we have the option to cheat. It don't necessarily have to be because of a particular reason, because we can happy, and the girl can do the yard and not flick and not fuck and do the things then. Right? But yet, at the end of the day, like you go out the road and maybe see something where you feel like, say, yo, alright, it's like a challenge. It's like an ego booster to me, and then you say, bum, I forget this. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like, there's no necessary reason. I feel like females sometimes feel like, say, oh, is it because you're not happy in your yard? I could have happy like Christmas, but at the end of the day, I just want something else.
You agree?
Yeah, I agree with them because I feel like it's a ego thing.
Yeah,
like,
definitely.
I don't think men have a reason to cheat.
So you don't think it's also peer pressure, like your friends, you want to look good in front of your friends' face?
So it's an ego. Because sometimes I want to say, yo, you're a top man. So you see a girl, you say, yo, you can say, you not the girl, not the one, that blah, blah, blah. So it's basically an ego thing, so we don't really feel like it's a, there's no reason.
There's no definite
So men
answer.
cheat for nothing.
Basically.
Yeah, man, I agree, man, because I don't know. I feel like cheating for me is a gene thing. Born with it. It's just a part of me. Because we love a girl, yeah, and the relationship good and everything alright and nice. And we just want to try something new. You understand? I'm not saying I love her same way, but see a new thing on the road, you don't know.
Alright, before we continue with the other question, when you're in a relationship, like a serious relationship?
Come on, me single but
So wait.
Well, I'm. It's in the process. I'm in the process.
Of what? Talking still.
Right. My definition of a relationship is long still, but it's in the process. I think the relationship is a process thing. It takes time. And I know you can get up tomorrow and say, yo, me a day.
Okay.
And we realize that with enough women nowadays, them don't mind that, but them crazy still.
Yeah, man, that's okay. Alright, the next question. Do you prefer women who are easy to get or those who pose a challenge?
Alright. I'm talking about it.
Yeah.
I generally don't really feel like, alright, it's a challenge. The challenge gives us like something to think about. Yeah, so basically, we feel like the challenge is a good thing. Because if you get it too easy, basically, you're gonna say, yo, she do this with everybody.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So if you get a little challenge when you try to approach a female, you feel like it's like a security thing.
So you consider yourself lucky, like probably you just lucky that one time? Actually, like you like that?
That's a true thing.
That's the point.
Yeah, because oftentimes when someone will say, oh, a girl easy, but generally the girl probably see it before and just rate it, isn't it? So you don't have to do it to say, oh, she easy because you get access.
Or you just have a buzz.
It's a buzz. Spark. You see me? So that's something. So I don't really think that is a thing where I'm not judge females after that.
So it don't matter if it's easy or challenge?
No.
It matters enough because let me tell you, like 60% of the time we think that they do it with other men, and then it's like 40% of the time we're lucky. So I think it's very vice versa. So it's very argumentative. Very.
But I'm not gonna lie.
Very. But when we get it easy, woman have a vibes too.
We kind of feel like we kind of iffy if we get it easy.
Yeah, so I say
you know why, like too easy if it does. Come on, like I said.
Yeah, but what really constitutes if it's too easy or not?
Yeah, what constitutes?
Like what you really
same
call
night?
easy?
Same night.
You know, same night.
That's a true.
Same night.
Depends.
Same night not easy?
If there was a talking stage.
What if we just have a vibe? Or what if what if you know me from the grams and me you know from the grams? We never talked before, see? And I see her and say, oh, you look good. And
like you have never DM'd her before?
No, never. In which I can say this, and then about the bash way. I never look at woman yet all of my days of my life, all of my relationships, public relationships, all of my ex-girlfriend them can attest to this and them look me. See?
Wow.
But it's not because of nothing, it's just that because of the patience. It's the patience for the looking and the wally messaging and something. Me personally, I can't do it. You understand? But what if we know each other from the grams, we never talked before, we go on party, ratings are Kingston 5, you know, club the thing, and then I said, you know, bam, I'm going to see you and we start vibing at the party, and then bam, I get deflected on the same night. That don't necessarily mean say you're easy, no. It can just mean that boy have a buzz and girl have a buzz. That's how we're buzzing.
There's a chemistry.
Yeah.
So talk it true. I know you're supposed to experience that already. Yeah. See, I tell me say, you don't feel a way about it, like you know, kind of.
The next day after the NNC, we wrote about it now and everything else we wrote. Next day, maybe I sit down and I say, yo, you know, I feel like sick, but that's why me as a boy, you know, I can't tell you this. Me will do my little research, them same way. You understand? So if me, I'll go ask one of my virgin and say, yo, you know that girl? And say, yeah, man, I know her. Yeah. And say, yo, who used to do with it before? I say, if the record isn't too long, then I'll just say maybe she just see me and she maybe she just see me and she just like me. You understand? But you can't know whether or not the girl was really into you or it's just a girl which just love beat up easy. There's nothing wrong with that too, you know. Okay, some girl like me.
Nothing wrong with it too, no. But you not look for wife that girl.
I would.
Quote unquote wife.
Depends. That's the question too. You should ask if you give them the easy or if it's a challenge, would you wife?
It depends, you know.
It depends.
It depends.
Easy kind of.
It depends. Because the feel like the panel is a very good panel. You know, unlike Kareem, we look woman enough. Yeah, you know, 90% of the time we look woman and you see me, I get my yes man, I go down in there, I don't even care what anybody says. Yes.
Yeah, right.
Are you attested?
No, I don't.
Anyway, so it's like it's not a problem still, you see me, but what I'm saying is this. When a woman, it depends on her vibe. Yeah. If she get easy and the vibe nice, you'll get hooked.
Yeah.
You'll get hooked.
Some ask
sure. Are you married?
But why can't a girl just see a man and just say, oh, she rate the man and she want to get the man up? Why that can't be the case? Without looking like a whore. You know what I mean?
No, that happened to me already. That's why I agree with you. Happened to me already. Females do that.
And them are not whore, but them just, like how we can see girl and say, oh, the girl vibes and the girl makes sense. Yeah, like the girl can see a man.
So we're not leading the generation astray. But we don't have nothing. We can say we don't have nothing against females.
At the end of the day, it's the men that look at the female as a whore and see yourself as top down.
No, we don't. Well, we don't. Me not look on nobody as a whore. Me not judge nobody.
Well, me do it. Listen.
Me not judge nobody.
Listen. If a girl in our circle too much and me have too much friend where I link here all of that, Should be like
Well,
this
in that
street.
case there,
Yeah,
in that case there, if a girl, because tell female this all the time, they say the promoter circle,
God,
they're very close. A man and man always talk. You see, you can't have 5 top promotion at
Jamaica
and
is
you
a
go
small
through
country.
very, very
Right.
small.
It's a small-
And you can't go from ratings to overstuff to Kingston 5. So you can't do that because that's
Right.
no constitution as a whole. But if you see a man do it, you just feel like you want to give me. I don't see nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Like, I can't pray for that.
Because like, really and truly still, we start look at it this way, say, men, like because them expect women to do what
we do.
you see me? But we can't preach so. Because just like when we see a girl and say, yo, but that, you know, the girl look for a man and say, yo, them.
Yeah, but some of them still not gonna do it at the same time.
Yeah, some of them never do it.
They get to try know you before.
True.
Because of course, I can look for somebody and say, yeah, the person looks sexually attractive, but you have to actually try to get to know the person first.
And then the other day, I grew to realize that, say, there are a lot of females who find me attractive, but then judge because them say you're a promoter, so them say you're 20 million woman. So
Are
they
they
won't
lying?
even approach you.
Are they lying though?
20 million woman? No. Me for myself, not 20 million woman at one time.
At one time, operative words, at one time.
At one time.
Yes, and
Alright, so the next topic of discussion. My phone recognize me because of the week. Does body count matter?
We relax, of course.
I think so.
So are you going to personally ask a woman what's her body count?
No, they never do that, but here we go now. Oftentimes, women do it. And the jet, and like the normal
Them
thing.
ask you?
Weird, don't you? Have some women who do it. You see me?
Heard.
And the normal thing to do after, have to ask about the same question. But generally, me not get up and ask a girl, say, yo, what's your body count? That's not necessary.
Not even under style?
No, to be honest, me not good. No, because alright, the relationship I always have with my partner is like we're always close. So like then we basically talk about past relationship and all of that. So obviously we basically pick up from one go on, isn't it? So
I don't think it matters still. It don't matter. We have women nowadays, even if you have a child, them don't even want to talk to you. Because them just feel like, say, them first supposed to breed for you. And them thing there. So, if them watch that, me not watch the body count still. So, I think them supposed to watch that neither.
so I don't know the matter to you.
I don't matter.
Really and truly still, more to say, is a decisive thing for me to talk to a girl. But as I said, when I don't know something in a hurt, but I say if I know, like I literally know, say at least like 10 of my friends are 10, somebody when I know, that it matter to me.
Brother,
It matter to me.
you have some nice girl out there, and then go them wow, them most ratchet. And trust me, them nice.
Naturally, build a family, I don't care if them nice.
Right?
If
That's
you're
like a one
ratchet,
that you
you're
look
going to continue ratchet business.
No man, Dexter say I have 10 or 12 or
Yes, my business.
You know what?
Dexter
So,
go out.
Kareem, I know you don't say if it matter or not.
Okay, you know some really, I mean really actually think if it matters.
It's a good question.
Yeah. Alright, personally, naturally, you're gonna say it don't matter. Naturally. See? I'm not gonna ask no girl how much money you fuck with for me. First, can I curse? Because I'm a cuss
Yeah.
when you so
Yeah,
sorry.
but-
I'm gonna make sure say yo, I'm not gonna come to you and I'm not gonna ask you because I mean we're all grown people. We're not 16 or 17 anymore. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna ask you for say yo, how much man and not before me. But it matters if it is that you are too much in the circle. So if I realize that like too much man with me know, knock you, and maybe I could just loyal. I mean, for a lot of things, just because of ego too. It
Right.
don't have nothing to do with you as a person or because you're there with enough money in a
They
circle.
would say
but
I'm
I'm
a
like,
girl and too.
right,
Yeah.
you see me?
Like really and truly to you, like if you name a car,
Yeah, like man, I like that.
you
thing.
that-
won't
that
come
nice.
and back down from that
Yeah.
place when you want to see the certain embarrassment. But
Isn't
really
it?
and truly,
Embarrassment.
sometimes you have some girl and name a call.
And I
them
dare
name
man,
call,
and
them
I
go
dare
about
man
things
like
and you
yard.
know gonna know, brother.
So they might pick the right
Experience.
guys.
You will never know.
Them go out of town, man.
So now,
Them
they
know
stay in
history.
town, man. When you talk about
Fine, them find them,
out
man.
of town,
Them know them, man.
they stay in town. And if them don't tell us, say, yo, them, and the man there.
Yeah,
You would never know. I really think.
Them low key.
No, I really think.
Sneaking.
They might pre-union here.
Yes.
Okay. 1 through 10. How much do you care whether your partner come or not, or have an orgasm?
Come on,
I
really?
find this. No, you know, man.
Why, who want to go first?
How much
let-
you
let
literally
me
try? Make sure
Woman,
say yeah.
let's say if your man and knock you often and the man has never made you orgasm squirt, come, none of them something, left the boy. pies the boy and left him.
Me dey on Twitter.
Left him.
I'm see women tweet so them never
come in.
Like me, I wonder if that real.
No, mind you, some females can't come by sexual stimulation.
Or have an orgasm.
Right, or have an orgasm. And me know that, if the boy birth and know him look a thing and then so, you understand? So, some females can't come by just fucking.
Yeah, that's right. Poor playing right.
But then, you have to understand, so someone, them don't want to use that toy on them girl. So when they not eat the fete, but yet they don't want to use that toy, when they not do the things then. So what is the reason? Like, you as a female, tell me though.
Right.
If your man not gonna eat you, nothing wrong with that.
Out of 10. Yes, out of 10.
Yeah, how much I'm gonna care whether the female come or not.
Yeah, man, me care.
Me I say,
Sometimes I'm in a business.
because probably 2%.
Yeah. Like some quickie, you know,
Yeah,
you just want care about
Or a
yourself.
little junk. You know, a junk
Selfish
sex.
moment.
Yeah.
Selfish moment.
Definitely.
8 out of 10. But it's important to make your ladies orgasm.
Please, fellas, and after the better man, and after the better than
Too much ladies that say them never have an
complain,
orgasm.
brother.
It's like weird to still. It's weird.
them are
Me ain't at the
complain.
bottom talking.
Yeah,
Me
yeah,
basically have sex to please my partner.
yeah.
100,000,000%.
Oh, so 10 out of 10 you care.
I care. Have to please. If me not come, me good. Because you see the talk about thing, you don't want the girl to talk.
But now the real thing,
No, man, me not care. Me not care. Just me not care. And the talk about thing, man. You want when she whisper to one of her friends.
You want to be something, you know?
boy,
She say,
boss, you know
You're
what?
digging at the street.
not really except digging at the street, but to a one friend. You understand? You know, I walk around my head. Here to big love at this. You know? So, yeah.
A real thing. Like you can't say your things and your girl is not pleased. And it's not even just so about, you don't have to be the extra squirt and the excitement, you know.
Yeah.
But your girl, when she's done,
she feels
she's supposed to
good,
feel satisfied,
Right.
virgin. So again, it's not even about what you're doing. 'Cause if you don't want to do the extra, you have other ways and means and things can implement. You have,
fetish.
yeah, that one just like I said, fetish. 37 lady must go. By the way, I link my friend's store. You understand? So you can go link up Saturday man and Saturday you can give you a little ties and little thing. Them look to stop them for stop it. The man, them are not things out here that them are going like them are things, you know. Them are not things.
So 10 out of 10 you care.
The man, I care, man. I mean, maybe 8 or 9 because sometimes it's
sometimes
picky.
it's picky.
Like, I just want
But
to
the
bust a
picking
nut
is
and
nice
just call it a dick.
So, look at now for them too. Of course.
Yeah.
You have money like picky too.
Them enjoy it, man.
You have woman
Fuck.
that
The adrenaline rush.
Yeah, man,
you have
fuck.
woman that like
The long excitement.
No, but when I say quick, I mean like
You come see
8 minutes.
Tone is supposed to.
5.
8 minutes is not a pitch.
Alright, well, I know. But me here Saturday.
Quick, you have 1 minute.
Me here Saturday, she said that you say. We are sexting supposed to be 2 to 3 hours.
Exactly.
Wait, what?
Yes, 2 to
For the
3
one
hours.
sex story.
Crazy.
So wait. Say 6.
Yes,
Normal
supposed to be 2 to 3
4
hours.
to 3 hours.
Normal
Quickie
sex.
is like half an hour there.
I
Right.
hope that's one of the questions still, you know. How long we going, because you know, brother.
No, quickie
If you're not go hours, it don't make no sense.
Picking is
If
not
you not
half
go
an hour.
hours, it don't make sense.
Or if it makes sense.
Quickie and a half an hour. Nobody can tell me.
Quickie, 1 minute, 2 minute thing, quick thing. 8 minutes. Quickie, not even 10 minutes.
I
10
mean,
minutes
sure about the 1 minute.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Hey,
Alright, 1 minute sure with the kind
1 minute very short.
I'm sure about the 1 minute.
But 10 minutes is not a quickie, man.
No.
10 minutes long enough.
5 minutes is an ideal
10 minutes.
time.
5
for
minutes.
quickie.
Yeah.
Well,
So
I'll
10
work with 5 minutes.
10 minutes is not a quickie.
You know, just
10
need
minutes.
something.
10 minutes.
10 minutes are more than that.
10 minutes are laying in a bed for.
Yeah.
Quickie is true. Run at the back of the yard, in the car.
Fast 3 minutes,
Right.
5 minutes.
5 minutes,
True,
stops,
true.
go in, yeah, ready.
Shift.
You understand?
Shift
In
in.
the jaws, no matter what the excitement, the one floor play, the one
fast.
Yeah.
yeah, man. But that's half an hour or something. God, go there, come on, go there.
Quickie that.
Tell the truth.
Not enough.
Slur card. Okay, so the next topic. Do you prefer females that refer to themselves as a wife material or bad girl? Like wife material are the type that they don't suck. They
Wait, this
wait.
Hold on.
No, I mean what they refer to themselves for.
What year are we in?
Alright, you know, wait. We can pause the question here. We can pause that the question here. We'll soon come back to that one. I'm ask one other one first.
Please, there we go. Because I don't understand it. No, stop, what? Yeah, favor, hear that.
Would you date a girl who does not believe or indulge in oral sex?
No.
Wait, as in the approach her talking stage, she's telling me that
She just not gonna do it.
Just not
Never.
gonna do it.
She not believe in it. She not feel that it's supposed to happen.
We're in a sense. Now go work out.
So none of only date a girl that don't see.
No.
But that's why I give her the benefit of the doubt and say
But that's
if
more
it's
next
talking
perception,
stage because
that's-
she probably can change her mind down the long run. But if it's something she really believes in and she say no matter what, you can't change her mind. No.
Alright, so we go back to the other question
No,
again.
If she say yet, no.
Yet.
Yet.
Yeah, but which female in this day and age are going to say yet? I don't want to understand. It's
I
like,
mean,
They might tell us straight up yes or no.
Yet?
yet, but
How old
suppose
are
them
you,
never
though?
do it before.
No,
In 2020, we never meet that yet, you know. So
Me actually meet that.
I am honest. with you.
Exactly.
I will maybe because the girls them that I've dealt with are girls who are more experienced. You
So I've
understand?
never dealt with like a young girl, like probably 20.
You never tried before.
20.
Yeah.
I never do that yet.
Yeah.
When
It's at 20 all, you know?
20 old.
No man.
Exactly.
20 is old in Jamaica.
No, Fred, let's
That's me.
say 21 year old. Yeah, 21 year old.
well, I guess it just depends on yourself.
Right,
and
yeah.
then-
Them never try it.
You have
But we never
18
see
year
that
old,
yet.
bad.
Well, I wouldn't know. For the record, I've never had sex with an 80-year-old before. Of recent times.
Oh,
Recent, please.
So from even back then, you used to get.
Man, me I get it from me about high school and I mean high school a long time
Wait,
ago.
so with everyone
high school is.
that
Man,
age
tell
so
you.
far?
So that's why I say maybe just my circle or females who I surround myself
I'm not gonna say with every female,
Yeah.
but of recent times, yeah, it makes sense.
Don't your social circle have a lot to do with it too.
Yeah.
Because if a girl and when me know tell me say them never get a date in 2020. You ain't not supposed to have her in the first place. Which part you come from?
She's a real life
Maybe you know she just come out and you
Come out
know.
of where? Come out of where? Where she coming out from? I want to understand. Come out of where? She's a
real life Virgin Mary.
Most.
I probably shouldn't. Alright. Some female, them not gonna just give it to any and anybody. So suppose you like you are the first guy she meet where actually look clean and
Yeah, but that's what I
actually
said.
you know
Yes,
look
they
like
look
a willy.
clean and boy shave and nail
Right.
and wax and do the things them. You
Right.
understand?
The ball.
Boy about
And when
both.
start extending
No,
that
no, no.
dog shit, they
Well
just
then,
give a word.
that's what I'm
No
saying. If she
personality.
lick out on it and say definitely no, then no. But she have like if she haven't done it yet, but she say I would do it, then that's a different thing.
Yeah, that's different.
But me never come
And you
up
know,
on
I
that in
kind
a
of agree
recent
with
times.
Kareem. Is like, hard to believe that she never do it because
Dog, like,
I know one
imagine.
man out there clean, I know one man
Yeah.
out there buzz.
You have money, you have more
Yeah,
buzz
man,
and more
have
clean
levels
than
in it.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
but,
I said.
alright, for a 20-year-old,
And
for
if
she
she
have
look
still
good too.
sex with only 1 or 2 men in her whole life. That
She never did that
is the
before.
idea. 1 or 2 men, but that.
Well, it
expect her to
depends.
never do it before.
Well, it depends.
I'm like she there and
If
I'm
you're
fuck on
inexperienced, but as long as you have it in your mental space that you would do it, then that's a different thing, you know, than you saying you're not.
Yeah,
You're
no,
not
to be
at
honest,
all.
I feel like Tash, when I think about it, you know, female like actually get up and say, yo, them nah get
Them nah
and them
do it.
lick out on it.
Yeah,
Of course,
not
I've seen
anymore.
it.
Not
You've seen
anymore.
it?
You know girls like that
No,
now?
I don't know them personally,
how long
but
them
them post it
continue
on
that?
social
So
media.
how long them continue that? And
They're
come up with
lying.
them say,
Them post it, you know,
When
and
them
say.
post it, them a lie.
One woman them
Tell them
going
about
from
them
the
social
thing.
media girls.
And I want a girl to seriously tell us that they have never done it and they're not
and
gonna ever do
them
it.
never ever do it. Check back 5 years.
Me see girl post it to them and do it and them.
And
do
them
it.
are talk
Really?
about everything.
So even when no one asks them, they literally left it in the comments. Say, listen, never, nah do
Oh,
that.
because they have some
Feel
people
like
that's
they're on
so
social
outspoken.
No, but nobody not ask them. And them go in at the comment section and post it. Them never have to do
You follow
that.
them?
Attention, them a look.
That's what I'm saying. Social
But that's what I
settings.
take attention from
You never
them.
see them something there.
Them a tell lie.
Attention, man. Here.
Well, it's not taking the
Sarcasm.
attention away from them if certain man know them do it. So them a waste.
But trouble.
Alright, so the next topic of discussion. Why the energy always drops after getting the girl? Like when you do the most to get her, or when you do the most at the beginning of the relationship, but like you know after you get it and whatever,
One word.
the energy drop.
Comfort.
Yeah, but not every woman.
Them get comfortable.
Any woman that happen to something wrong. You understand what I say? Something wrong with you.
No, they really said that.
Yeah, man.
As in, you get the girl now, and like the energy drop. As in, the things we used to do before, you
To
don't do
get
it
her,
again.
or to impress her.
The way you used to text her, or you used to be excited to link her. Because when you're on the girl day, and everything's sealed, I'm sure say, oh, you know, jump up in the early morning to rush to text her. Well, everybody different still. But usually still, some things normally change. But you feel like a comfort. You have her now, you basically get your price.
Yeah, so we just get complacent.
Yes, isn't
My
it?
woman.
You're not trying to impress her anymore.
You're a woman, so you're not trying to impress her.
You already done
I feel
it.
like that's the wrong approach still.
Very much so.
That's very wrong because I need to make things always be spicy. And I really need the energy to drop. You know, but
That's what I feel like a soft woman that comes to stay. Because you know, if it's a girl that always gain a gist there, the vibe there, you have to motivate. The motivation is gonna be there to, you know, keep up that energy there, like at the beginning or before you get hard. So I think that's something much.
so you feel like there's something wrong with the woman then?
Yes.
If that's up.
So your energy never drop. Like after you get the girl,
I don't need them.
your energy drop.
No, not them. For them, my energy drop. But then
Oh, you
outside,
wanna see if
I mean, always at the night say, no man, everything good. See me. When we just know say something just miss with her, so everything just interest drop.
Because me always see the meme them will say, oh, when the girl posts a picture of the guy, they look nice, and then the guy where I'll try to look at her, you're the most beautiful, you're so attractive, you're like the sunset, and you know them bag of things because they just well want to get in.
The man that have her, I'm not comment no sir.
I'm not commenting.
I don't want them down in the day, I send 50 messages about who want the most under the
You know the chart.
I really think.
I really think, isn't it?
Alright, next topic. Why do you normalize flirting even when in a relationship? Because you're not a cheater.
When I normalize that up, when I do that,
Normalize it.
when
Not
I do that,
with the female, no, with all, feel like it's normal for the flirt and not cheat. That's not
Same thing with the normal. We say
well,
normal.
me not do that
Well,
because me
normalize
don't want
it.
that I'm telling
It's
you.
normal still.
Because my head not too right to do that.
Alright.
So if we even see I send an emoji, I send a smiley face, you know the man like you, I cheat you, I cheat
No,
by me.
not
you know.
the female.
Yeah,
flirt
that's why I
with
say
you.
me not do it because me don't want you to do it. So I'm not gonna do it. Alright, here's the thing. I'm not a cheater. See?
But wait, but what happened to the first question when we asked? So I say cheating after one, especially you.
Even in a relationship.
Me not
Even
answer.
in a relationship.
Kareem answer for himself, make him answer.
Yeah, you understand me?
Yeah.
Bear in mind, I've been in about 5 relationships, all of my whole years.
How old are you?
No, 20 no.
Okay.
You understand? About 5 relationships. I think social media now about 4.
You mean
4
first
of them.
relationship?
Yeah man, good relationship.
Okay.
But the thing is, I'm not a cheater because here we go. You see, when man are work, out there without fear, outside like dog in a road, you know. You understand what I'm saying? You see one thing now, really dirty, when I ask. You understand? But you see one thing in our relationship now, I know say I get all of my undivided attention. You understand?
Yeah.
So instead of flirting stuff with it, I'm not gonna do that. Because at the end of the day, at night, to the end of the day, if I'm going on your phone or even I'm not going on about the phone, but if me even see a message a man
pop up.
and bam, I see even a send an emoji, trouble dead, you know. Me not do it because me don't want you to do it at the end of the day, you understand? So me not do that. Marquis,
Well, I don't know. I feel it's a sickness still.
Yeah,
Your sight. It's a sickness, man.
Oh my god!
Sickness.
brother.
I think it's a sickness.
You're talking state, mash up.
man is a dog.
The
girl or the man that try to get in a relationship,
Moody
listen to it, right?
But it's a sickness. I don't know. I
Yeah,
control it.
I wouldn't say it's.
No, man. She know, man. She understand.
She understand. Of course, man.
You have it tough.
Got you.
Wow.
That's popping color.
It's a sickness still. I'm telling you that cheating is something like genes.
Not the gene.
But like the flirt,
I'm leaving for drain my
I
blood.
wouldn't say I normalize flirting because at the end of the day, flirting is not something that's acceptable in a relationship. So we're not supposed to try and make that now. But I feel like people flirt because them don't have self-control. You see me? You get a little compliment, you start run with it. You're supposed to do anything. And you have a lot of females where even would say, so a guy approach them and them answer and run along with the convo.
Yeah.
You flirt.
So
Because if you're not interested, don't reply.
So I think that flirting is cheating.
Of
Yeah,
course
man,
it's cheating.
definitely.
Flirting
So
are going to
most
lead to
females,
something.
because I think I asked this question in my last discussion with females, and they said flirting is not cheating.
Flirting is cheating.
Who said
Alright,
that?
hold on. So a man like you, see? Man like you know the man like you, the man tell you. So Marquis to look you. Marquis still the same like you. You in a relationship with him. But now see I could just block Marquis and say, oh, but now I'm gonna talk to you. But at the end of the day, the man will approach you and the man will bring certain talk to you and you're still responding.
Just blatantly,
Entertaining.
blatantly ignore him. Don't reply to his
Exactly.
message.
And then y'all are the phone with him and talking
Any
after that. That make no
Anyone will
sense.
say, flirting is not cheating.
Yeah, entertain conversation.
A wicked girl.
Of course. Be man.
Yeah, man.
So you are a wicked man.
Yeah, me a wicked man. That's how I can tell you. Say,
Yeah, wicked, yeah.
Okay.
As long as you entertain it, you will cheat.
Of course.
You entertain
There's just a
person.
little bit of
Potential.
potential.
You know
You don't agree?
I mean, agree as long as you entertain it.
What you say?
I don't cheat.
Voila.
But I don't think.
You not agree?
Yeah, wicked.
I don't think from your entertaining that means you're willing to.
So why are you entertaining this?
You
Are
don't
you
think-
are you that bored?
go.
Are you that bored?
What are you entertaining for in the first place?
You know the vibes of the spice in your life, your man not spicy up. You're
Now you
bored.
know if somebody give you one compliment,
No,
you just
we don't care.
reply with a little, you know the emoji we have the little art
Alright,
up here, so
alright.
And then
like
you gotta move
you
on
love
to
that.
something.
And then they reply, and then what happen after you reply?
Them no reply.
Right, so
Wow.
that one reply is not flirting then?
Okay, but it's all the place. Alright, say a reply.
First degree flirt.
You respond. Alright, I'm not gonna say
First degree will be
respond
the
then,
worst
no.
one.
No,
Third
alright.
degree.
Third degree.
You respond. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
you know. Fine.
I said thank you
Send
with
back a
the art
respect. Nothing wrong with
emoji.
that. Bam, the man start talk. And I say, boy, you know, a long time I like you,
I
Then you start laugh. LOL. Really?
Really?
And then bam. Yeah. We are really fuck. We are really fuck. Instead of saying, no, I have a boyfriend, that's just supposed to
I know, say, just to stick up with. I feel like say these young ladies of this day and age, I think them find pride and joy
Yeah, man, I love it.
in doing that.
I love it.
Them not
attention.
really serious enough.
The full them belly.
I feel like them find
Just
pride
this,
and
you
joy.
got me tear down.
I feel like attention for some girls.
You seem like I'm a team, you sound hurt.
No, but listen.
No,
On Twitter,
it happened to me already still.
You know.
Lead me on. And then they just, them wicked.
Just for doing sake. That's the
Yeah,
thing.
man. Belly full, man.
We can't do that. Just nip it in the boat. You know, we have a boyfriend do, call it a day. If you want to comment again and say it nice again, fine. But no bother prolong the
I
conversation.
don't know
yeah.
what they call it, but it has something close to do with like in rape cases where you're leading on the men.
Rape
So
cases.
you have to be careful.
Yes.
Females have to be careful how they text man and how them their
Stop
reactions.
them,
You have to be
man.
careful, man, because man get we have enough rape
Of
case
course.
because the judge are gonna say you're leading on.
Wow,
You
that's
know,
crazy.
and
No
your boyfriend
means
are gonna say,
no.
yo, you're leading on.
Yeah,
It's
but
not
no
cheating.
means
But no
so
means
you're
no
in the man
regardless.
DM for. And you're the man
Alright,
attack.
say in the man DM, but still, when it come on to like, say when you go together and the man is like, alright, I could do it now. And you're like, no.
Well, that's different.
It means no.
But
Like,
it
suppose
depends
you're
on
not ready, if your body, if you say
man,
no, no.
That me know when it depends. It depends
Right.
that.
Just
But
no
you
matter
are responding
reply
to
to
the
the
man,
man
though.
message and
Yeah.
Tash. No matter do it, a cheat.
What does she say?
I don't do it, I just
Anything
reply,
flirting?
thank you. And by the way, barely reply to them unless me know you, me reply.
And then, alright, then, so you
don't-
respond
I
and
don't
what if the man
like
to the same like you? Would you say anything after that?
No, me leave them
Leave it on scene.
right.
Alright.
Because
A good girl.
as you can see, we have food in front of us.
All courtesy of
Tide dweller.
Ultra Long.
I'm having sweet and sour chicken with mashed potatoes.
Kind of chicken.
I don't eat fish, I don't eat pork, and the shrimp no.
Yes, sister grow feather. Yes, man, this is stew pork.
Stew pork.
Come on,
Yes.
man.
Just go rust. It's stew pork, but slow.
Chicken just nice, man.
Nice.
No, no, boys.
Yeah, man. Chicken about the side.
No, I'm not even going to focus on the conversation.
Right?
I'll focus on the food. Big up, Scott. For the next question,
Let's sample the food first. Hold on there.
what's for you? Ready? No,
Very.
I know Scott will have up on the side. Food is good. The pork is soft.
So, one of the question asks, why not say I'm busy or talk to you later instead of ghosting for hours to leave us to assume?
I'm really in the mood for responding in the first place.
That's disrespectful.
No, but then you see,
We are playing a little petty. I'm busy. I'm busy.
But that them say, why not just say that
Yeah, but what if you not
instead
have
of
the time to
ghosting?
even step on my phone to even a text? Like,
reply.
alright, like right now, Zine, right, sure. Cool?
Right.
What if I can't even pick up my phone for message and say, yo, I'm busy in between a shoot? Or what if I never even really think about message before? But tell you, say, yo, man, I got you a shoot. Right now, I always think the worst. But I can't just say, alright then, maybe I'm busy. I mean, if a man goes to know for 6-7 hours, you know, that's a fuck with it, because Peggy must have him phone some way, shape, or form. He can message you.
Later.
No.
6-7 hours?
Like,
7 hours, almost 1 day, you know.
Check them. 6-7 hours, almost a day. 6-7 hours go by quick, you know.
Go back quick.
Of course.
6 hours long.
So you are telling me, say, me ain't gonna talk, and you are gonna busy for 6 hours, they could even take up your phone and say, yo, Kareem, you know, say, I'm busy.
Trust me, it happened. It happened to me.
So what you do for 6 hours, make it cool if you take up your
So
phone?
much things.
Where's
Probably
the
I work
effort?
back to back.
Tash,
Like-
you can say, yo, I'm busy now, so text about when, you know? No, if
And a 1 hour, I talk about or 2 hours, you know.
Alright, me
6-7
see.
hours, you know.
Sometimes me wake up in the morning. As I wake up, I literally have to get ready because I always think, and I always approach me. I have to do my makeup, I have to do my hair. And then I leave out a Wi-Fi same time. I'm out almost the whole day, probably working, probably a booking or something. And then I go reach in, I just want to be and go sleep.
Remember your bonify man?
So one whole day that you say that talk to me for 1 whole day?
Your bonify man? No, sir.
I don't feel like I don't need
No. Here's the thing.
Kinda-
Me personally, you know, I'm not the type of person who will message your phone 24/7. You understand? Because me myself is very busy, and I don't want nobody in my phone 24/7 either. Because I like the killing thing fuck with. You understand? But there's not a day supposed to pass where you don't speak to your partner. One
not a
day,
full day,
is
but,
supposed
you
to
know,
pass. 12 hours
most
is
of the
supposed
day.
to pass.
12 hours is supposed to
No man, all if you are rushed and ready and all these things, they can say, babe, I'm going to want to shoot, I'm a booking. Suit us here. It's perfectly fine. I have a problem with that, you know. They can be for 10 hours after
Right.
that, you know.
Make them busy, and when them do get to them phone, them see one thing.
Yeah.
So
See,
none
hey,
of you do the ghosting thing.
No man, me ghost people for 3 days. No man.
You're bona fide person.
Me
Like,
date, yeah man, me ghost for 3 days.
so all you just justify saying
No,
oh,
because I
it's
mean I
wrong.
like it.
Oh, you don't
People
want
me
him
not
to
like
you?
it, no.
Wow.
It's not right.
Wow, selfish.
I don't know, but there's so much still. Personally. I'm a very selfish person, you know, right? But there's days when mentally I'm just not mentally like I'm in that mental space to want to not chat with nobody. You understand what I'm saying?
Even not one message.
Right.
Sometimes I'm moving like, sometimes you have to do something you just want to do by yourself.
So me
Like, you know, want to talk about it. You just
want
want
to build.
isolate
You don't want to
yourself.
talk about it with your
Okay.
partner?
I think with
Sometimes-
one person want to talk
Alright.
about is God.
You have to remember, some people deal with them problems differently. Some
Me
vent
too,
on social
in
media.
the isolation.
Women don't live at it.
Really?
Weird.
I mean, I believe in I don't believe in like talking to people about your problem, like confiding in people about it. But I don't believe in isolation. I feel like isolation causes insanity.
And depression.
I mean, isolation sinks you into deeper depression. I have an episode about this from a podcast. You have a plug of podcast on it. You know what I mean?
Remember, you got isolated.
Right, mental health.
Oh,
Right.
yeah. That's
Me
fine.
missing for about all 1 whole year, you know.
Yeah.
And nobody know nothing this family or nothing, you know. But
Hold on. This is actually something hard.
yeah.
No, man, real thing, man.
Come on, missing man, half of the
This
scene,
we have to
the
see.
party, the social media, nothing. That's the closest people.
We
them
have to
never
check
know.
up the close people.
Wow,
to know
but
them
them
know
alright.
say alright.
And them say I'm alright, but them
Them
say
know say
can't
alright.
answer.
Them they know say well, alright,
Them know say I'm alright, but them say
but them
can't answer.
themselves never know what was going on. You understand?
Oh, yeah.
But it's just how me deal with things. So now, but if me and you then know, you know, I mean even I go through something for a day or two, maybe just shut down. But you as my partner, you have to know that that's just how Kareem is. And you just have to deal with it.
Eventually.
Right. I'm going to fall back with him. I'm going to say, boy, you know, some minute out of it a little bit. You understand? But the whole day is something there and you're telling me, see, you're busy.
So your partner never assume the worst?
What kind of work could I go?
Maybe you
But
run
then
away with
they are
a
jail.
woman for a while.
The only thing I think
You have
about
your
is that
second
they're
life. You know, and you attend to your second life now.
Second life, I'm going to come back on the ground with it. Maybe.
No, your second life, you're probably married, nobody knows you're married with kids and, you know.
Well, thank God I'm single, so the body never think.
The only time
Think
I isolate
that's it.
myself, because sometimes I like to own a space. You understand? But it's not supposed to be for me a stress or nothing.
Yeah.
A stressful topic because I know for sure. Isolate yourself under depression and stress, it's going to make the matter worse.
Right.
So you're not supposed to you're still supposed to go communicate with your partner 24 hours a day.
Dating a female with a child, would you? Like, personal girlfriend with a child,
before,
already have a child.
I have before. I dated a female. For those who know.
I have stepkids.
No, currently.
You say it like that, I have stepkids.
Yeah, son and daughter.
Okay, so your girlfriend have a
2 kids. Proud.
proud.
I'm your father too, so you have to proud with you.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Well, for me, you know, I just say never. It's about like, I'm like any next relationship we're going on, like, I don't know, I feel like any girl I'm going to talk to, I'm not supposed to get first. You know? Like I saw me see right now. But when I say it's impossible, but I like to, like, my partner,
You want to be
first.
first.
Start like.
You're at that
You're right.
perspective because you don't have any kids.
That's exactly that's what I said.
Me, as a father,
Me don't want to see a nice woman out the door. And I look at her and she say, yo, you have
you
yours.
want to
And she not gonna
But
talk
she
to
can't
me. Feel
accept
away.
yours and
Yeah.
you're not
That's
accepting
why
hers.
that's why more than just say, oh, no to do it because I don't know now. But my preference right now to like start with something. Yeah, but I don't know.
See a stepfather, the kids ain't brother.
Then go on.
Alright, one question left. I really understand it, but hopefully you understand it. Do you feel no attachment to a woman, even after multiple sexual encounters? Like you probably can have sex with that woman all the time and feel no kind of attachment.
Of course. You have multiple sex encounter with.
Yes, with that one female. You
No,
know,
Friends
feel
with benefit. Of course we can do that.
Yes.
no kind of.
No, not
Feelings?
But whatever feelings with them, I get on it.
Oh, wow.
It's possible.
Wow.
It's possible.
Wow.
You really asked him.
The sky do la poker go on with that thing. Big up sky do la.
Him done already.
The poker go on. But yeah, enough time. Have sex with a woman all 10 times.
So you don't feel like
Already.
the sex better when you're emotionally
Of course.
It is better.
It is.
so you don't feel like you're not waste somebody
No.
and or if you have sex with
Sometimes you just want
Body for waste, man.
Body for waste.
Nobody can waste. Nothing wrong.
Wow.
What do you think it did for?
For the right one. That's what it's here for. Or
So how am I going to know?
You have
if
too
you're
much
the right
energy
one?
for one.
but you don't have any feelings for the person, so why you go
What if I'm just sexually attracted to you?
Precisely. And that's the case most times.
well, I understand that.
How about then you can go on now? I can only be sexually attracted to you, but mentally, like,
You can't stand it.
you can't really reason and you can't really sit down and talk about things when we
That's
say,
not
alright,
positive.
I'm
Let me say something. Let me say something. Why is it enough get a girl? Them have that high level of confidence there. Because them know say when it comes on to the sexual part, them have that lock. Them have that lock.
feel like them go to class them.
So them can go on for a boy. But differently from that, munching me now and see a girl stop calling my phone.
Alright, so you just want her for sex alone. That's it.
Sexual attraction. Sexual pleasure.
Yeah, nothing wrong with
And
that.
that is the case most time.
Something wrong
That's
with
the
that?
case.
No, nothing wrong with that.
That's the case
Nothing wrong with
most
that.
time. You just have that buzz for that person sexually.
They
Nothing
just
wrong
don't
with that
think
at
you're not perfect
all.
and they. Like, we don't really have the same thought
The connection
process
is
and
not
stuff
there.
like
So allow our friends with benefits or ever had one?
I have.
Love them thing there.
multiple.
You love them thing
Yeah,
there.
but
No
not
kind of
that word.
attachment or no little responsibility.
Right now, mash up and say, I can't tell woman say I'm a friend again. Now, mash up and say, but friends with benefits, nice.
That's why I love that channel and people expose
No,
themselves
man,
a
I love
lot.
that. No, man, me love that more than anything else.
Sex.
Me,
Friends with
love
benefits.
that. I love that for
So
me.
you rather have a friend with benefit than a
Yeah, man,
relationship?
Sometimes,
Yeah?
Leave out
it
the
work
word.
out.
Work out
Sometimes
better.
it's nicer because certain things you don't have to make sure it's a you do. Because
Yeah,
when
that
you
I have to make
woman,
sure
you have
it's a
certain
message. Yeah, I have to make sure it's a way I talk every day. But I have to make sure, I have to text
Then
you
you
all the
can go
time.
24 hours.
Without
without
speaking.
saying what's up. Well,
But
I
you
mean,
still text the friends with benefits and check for her and things like different.
yeah, naturally.
Yeah, because you're friend. Because you going now, breathe this.
No,
Me as
not
a
as
boy.
a friend. Like, you know, make sure that she.
She put every now and then, yeah.
Of course, call her and say, drunk, yeah, right?
Well, we don't do that.
Did I say
Crazy.
junk?
Crazy.
But breathe this. You see me? You see when me done? You have to cut it up. There's no laying down in a no bed. There's
You're
no
not cuddling
cuddling.
with another
Me not like a cuddling. Me not like cuddling thing there.
When you say
No,
drunk, you
can't
know.
just cuddle.
me not cuddling none at all.
You don't like it?
So the friend, no, I don't like it. So the friends with the bed and my friend them can tell you enough for the vibrate them have to call me and save me out of one thing. Say yo, so the girl can cut from my yard. You understand? So you see the friend benefit something now, it would have worked better. Cause you see as but done, baby girl, just go wash up a little bit. You know, not even half an hour, you know. More take is on its way for you. More take is 11 minutes. Take 11 minutes and
Believe
prepare
that.
yourself to leave.
And you
I'm not telling a lie.
The cuddle business now.
I don't like that one.
Sometimes I feel hot in the bed still. You don't want nobody near me, but
Yeah.
if a female out there, any female, where you find yourself, say, me hug you up while you asleep,
They say every time.
something I go on.
Yeah.
Wait, so no like cuddling?
No.
I mean, I'm like,
No,
You
they
understand?
must talk for themselves.
Oh.
No, me not like it. Me not like it.
Me have my
If me
per-
do hug
me have
you
my
up,
personal-
if me do find hug you up,
Yeah.
in your sleep, if you asleep and you hold me and you see me stare upon you,
no, if a man has stay by
Nah,
you,
the thing.
No, no,
That's
listen,
weird.
you mad.
That's
You
weird.
mad.
That's creepy.
No.
Can you imagine me a girl and me a look?
listen, if she
And
mad,
the girl
if,
just stare
if she
for me,
mad
look.
beautiful, you know them don't find it weird, them find it charming.
It's like you're
You see
still in
me?
the hall, like
Because they must
you
say,
really
yo,
have the girl in your bed at that.
woman do that to me enough time.
Yeah,
Enough
you
time.
like it.
And you
I'm
know,
not turning them in the
and you
face
know,
and stare for me.
and you know what too? Is that I used to hear people talk about this and I never believe them until it happened to me. You ever have sex and you get some good sex and you just drop asleep, knock out?
Yeah.
The
Me
norm.
used to hear people used to talk about that, like
Like
they say,
it.
yo,
Like
alright,
it.
I watch this.
Exhausted.
I said no one tell me that, and the first girl that ever did that to me.
They just have to look for them.
Yo, brother. Yeah,
Ready to fall in love?
it turned out to today day still. But it happened to me, it ended up happening to me. I feel like I will get all them things very true. Like, it ended up happening to me enough time after, but the first time I was like, wow.
Oh man, that's where it's supposed to come in.
Wow, it feel good.
Well,
It feel really good.
You feel like you got the gym.
Maybe you can knock out your train.
Yeah.
What's that say?
If a man now making a feel tired.
If you never knock out a boy, you touch it now, go on.
Yeah, true. You know about.
You not go on nothing.
But that's the norm though.
Oh.
That's the
You
norm.
got yourself. You know?
No, like for an overall relationship, that's supposed to be the norm after a good sex. It's supposed to, you know, want to
Who
leave.
knock out first most time?
I must in.
Tell me what this is, bro.
Beat my chest.
Yeah.
Okay, chill out now. Alright, so that's it
Yeah.
for the spicy sex and relationship topic. Thanks for coming. And big up to Skydweller for them nice food.
Big up Skydweller.
Ardenne road people, you need to
Only for most people.
you know, out of the world, so you need to come and get your nice lunch and your dinner. And, yeah,
I'm
you
have to
know,
go lunch spot and
yeah, the
Yeah.
to-go, because this is a to-go
Yeah,
meal.
yeah.
Yes.
Excellent.
Remember to check out Kareem's podcast, and it's the radio talk show on Tuesdays.
Tuesday on 93 FM, 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock, or you can stream it if you don't have a radio on JAMAICARadio.net. Subscribe to the YouTube at Boya Things by Kareem.
Over there, festive.
Bad.
Very
What's
festive.
it? Yeah.
And check out Justin's creative coach.
Creative Coach JA on Instagram and subscribe to YouTube, Creative Coach JA also.
Check out his.
My Instagram, MC Marco, if you want a host for your weddings, birthday party, funeral, everything. I mean, the man, young, trending, coming up. We are coming around the place. Straight.
Even
isn't it?
some of the guys say, I was going to this different voice.
There's
It's a
different
deep
voice.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are live on location at Skydwellers Ultra Lounge. This is MC Marco on location with Tash. What?
Alright, but before we close off this video, we have a quick game of Smash or Pass.
You want to miss that many nights?
It's really the one I picture them, you know.
I swear to God.